Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about one recent news. So a couple of days back, Atlassian, GitHub, and GitLab they issued one common blog, one statement, and they mentioned that few of their repositories, their code repositories, were compromised. And basically, what happened? Someone somehow got control of their repositories. It was not really a breach. I mean, it was kind of a breach, but it was not really like hacking. It was probably because of some, s- some probably someone probably used maybe simple password in their repository, or somehow uh, someone got access to some repositories and they deleted the repositories, and they asked the owners to pay them some money in bitcoins. So this is something um, definitely disturbing. And to avoid this particular problem, you should take care of your repositories. You should ensure that you have a strong password. And if you go to this blog, I'll share the blog link in this video. You can read about the um, basically Atlassian, GitLab, and GitHub. They have issued and they have talked about how you can secure your repository and how what kind of practices you should use. So mainly it is talking about enabling two-factor authentication. So this is what I also do on my personal code repository. And if you are a company, you should actually take it more seriously. And apart from using this service on Atlassian, GitHub, and GitLab, also keep a backup of your repository somewhere so that you can always rely on it if needed. And one thing which is really interesting is that uh, all three companies, they are like competitors, and they came together and they issued this joint blog. So I was really happy to see that, and I think it is good for the community overall. I mean, GitLab, GitHub, and Bitbucket, all three are really good. I personally use GitHub and Bitbucket a lot. I've never really used GitLab, but I know it is good. We encounter uh, people who want to migrate from one platform to another platform, maybe not because one is better or the other one is bad, but due to some other reasons. But all three of them are really good, and they are competitors, and when they come together and they issue some common statement, it really uh, it's a good sign, I think. And I think if you are a user of these three services, do take a look at the joint blog and secure your repositories. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.